Hello, my name is John Wetzker,
I'm Calvin Jones.
And I'm Megumi Jordan.
and we are presenting a video that we will be creating that depicts the consequences of what happens when you clap between movements.
Our vision for this video is going to have an unaware audience member clap between movements and then is abducted by the mafia. This audience member manages to escape and is running through the woods where he finds some very interesting characters. Eventually, he is taught his lesson and is sent back to the performance where, unsurprisingly, he claps between movements again. Our song choices will include Careless Whisper, the main theme from The Godfather, A River Runs Through You, and the prologue music for Lord of the Rings.
For our audio recording, we will be recording on Friday, November 4th. We will edit the recording on Saturday, November 5th, and then the instruments we're going to use are bass, drums, saxophone, synth, piano, bongos, and strings. And we will record all of this on my Shure MV7 microphone.
If you're wondering what we were doing about filming, we will record in the Bears Concert Hall, the Band Hall, and Warm Slough to get those woodsy shots. We're going to record on Saturday, November 12th, and some of our costumes will include mafia suits, sunglasses, and concert attire.
Our group members here are Calvin Jones, John Wetzker, and myself. We will also be some of the performers along with Hunter Harris, Andrew Burnham, James O'Connor, Brian Welton III, Archie Gillespie, William Harum, and special cameos by Dr. Kerr and Dr. Watkins. I am the producer and video editor. Our director is Calvin Jones, and our audio editor is John Wetzker.
We are so ready to get to work. Woo!
It's going to be fantastic.
Woo!
Yay!
Awesome, thank you.